How to make money with Lemon8. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of Lemon8 and exploring how you can turn your content creation into cash. Lemon8 is a rising social media platform that combines the best of Instagram and Pinterest with a focus on lifestyle and visual content. While Lemon8 does not yet offer direct in-app monetization, there are still ways to make money by building your audience. So strategy 1 is a brand collaboration. As a follower base grows and your content resonates with viewers, brands will start to take notice. This opens the door for brand collaboration. Hone in your specific niche like fashion, beauty, or travel. Remember, high quality content is key and be transparent so that people can relate to you. Reach out directly. Don't be afraid to reach out to brands that align with your content and target audience. Pitch creative campaign ideas that showcase their product seamlessly. Strategy 2 is affiliate marketing. You can utilize the feature of Lemon8. Did you know you can actually click a photograph of a product and you can easily add a link of the product, so when a person directly taps on the link, they'll be automatically redirected to the product page. You can use this as affiliate marketing and partner with the relevant brand. This will not just increase your followers but also help with monetization and commissions as well. Strategy 3 is to sell your own product or services. Lemon8 is a great platform to showcase your creative skills and entrepreneurial spirit. Do you have an Etsy shop? Promote your handmade craft or digital downloads directly on Lemon8. Offer online courses if you are a fitness coach, makeup artistry, or anything that describes you the best. Remember, building a successful presence on Lemon8 takes time and dedication. Focus on creating high-quality content, engage your audience, and establish yourself as a trusted voice in your niche. By implementing these strategies, you can turn your Lemon8 passion into a profitable side hustle. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment below what kind of content you love to see on Lemon8. And if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button for more social media tips and tricks. Bye-bye.